Hello students, myself Manoj Kumar, and today this is the fifth video of class 3 chapters measurement of weight. Now in the previous video we will discuss about the exercise 50, but in this video we will discuss about exercise 51, and this exercise is based on the word problem and which is based on the addition and subtraction of the measurement of the weight. Now, here is the question 1 to 14 in your exercise 51. Now, first questions. The first question is say that a packet of the sweets weighs 2 kg 375 gram. Another packet weighs 1 kg 950 gram. How much do they weigh together? A packets of the sweets. It means a packet of the sweets weighs is equal to 2 kg 375 gram, and another packet weighs 1 kg 950 gram. And when we adding all the two packets weight of the sweets, we get the total weight of the two packets of the sweets. Now right here, a packet of the sweet weighs is equal to 2 kg 375 gram, and another packet weighs which has a sweets is 1 kg 950 gram, and the weight together when we adding these two type of the weights of the different type of the packets of the sweets, we get the 4 kg 325 gram. And you have already know that how can be adding these two type of the weights, kg and the kilogram, 2 kg and 375 gram, and 1 kg 950 gram. And now this is the very simple additions. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5, 7 plus 5 is equal to 12, 1 is carryover digit, and now 3 plus 9 get the 12, and when we adding 12 plus 1 we get the 13, 3 is here, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, and when we adding 1 we get the 4. In this way we can find the weight together of the packets of sweets. 4 kg 325 gram. Okay. Now here is the question number 4. Nirmal bought 2 kg 750 gram of the potatoes, 1 kg 880 gram of the tomatoes, 2 kg 375 gram of the brinjal, and 940 gram of the lady finger. What is the total weight of the vegetable bought by him? So one by one, I will write here. Nirmal bought potatoes is equal to 2 kg 750 gram. Nirmal bought tomatoes is equal to 1 kg 880 gram. Nirmal bought brinjal is equal to 2 kg 375 gram, and the Nirmal bought lady's finger is equal to 940 gram. And now, what is the total weight of the vegetables? All the things is here given that these are the vegetables. So, total weight of vegetable bought is equal to, when we adding the, all the weight of the vegetables, then we get the 7 kilogram 945 gram weight. Okay, so this is also simple. Here is the word is the total. Total means additions of the all the things which is given. Okay, and here is the things. What potatoes weight, tomatoes weight, brinjal weights, and the lady's finger. Okay. Now go to the question number 5. Anil weighs 38 kg for 485 gram. His brother Sumit is heavier than him by 5 kg 755 gram. How much does Sumit weighs? Anil weighs Anil weighs is equal to 38 kg 485 gram. His brother Sumit heavier than, how much heavier than? 5 kg 755 gram. And how can we get the weight of the Sumit? We get weight of the Sumit when we adding the weight of the Anil weights. When we adding increased weight to the Anil weights, we get the weight of Sumit. So when we adding both the weights, Anil weights and the increased weight, we get the 44 kg 240 gram. Okay boys, here is the 44 kg 240 gram. Okay. Now here is the another questions of your exercise. Sonu weighs 36 kg 200 gram, while his sister Monica weighs 27 kg 765 gram. Who weighs more and by how much? Here is the two questions. One question is who weighs more, which is heavier, and another is the how much heavier than the another. So first of all, we will write Sonu weight is equal to 36 kg, 200 gram. Monica weight is equal to 27 kg, 765 gram. And how can we find the which is heavier? Who is heavier? Sonu is heavier. Why Sonu is heavier? Sonu is heavier because 36 kg and 20. When we compare 36 kg and the 27 kg, we will find that 36 kg is the higher than the 27 kg. So Sonu weighs is more. First answer is the Sonu. And how much more from the to the Monica? When we subtract 36 kg, when we subtract 27 kg, 765 gram from the 36 kg 200 gram, we get the 8 kg 435 gram. Okay, you know very well how can we subtract it. So then I will not explain here how can we subtract it. Okay, but only things is here what the question say and how can we solve it. Okay, boys. Now here is the question number 11. On Diwali festival, Menika bought 10 kg of the seeds. She distributed 7 kg 275 gram among her friends. Among her friends, how much seeds were left with her? How much seeds left with her? Left means subtraction. So that means according to these questions, we will write the statement. On Diwali festival, Menika bought sweets equal to 10 kg. She distributed sweets among friends, 7 kg 275 gram. And how much sweets left? The sweets left is equal to, how can we get the sweet left? When we subtract the sweets which is distributed 7 kg 275 gram from total weight of the sweets which is bought by the Menika, then we get 2 kg 725 gram. This is the sweets left. So how can we write the digit in this way? Kg, and there is nothing gram, so we write 0 0 and the 0 and write 7 and 275 gram under the gram column. And now when we subtract it, we get the 2 kg 725 gram the sweets left. Okay. Now this is the question 13. The total weight of a bag containing 3 packets of the rice, sugar and the tea was 17 kg. If the weight of the rice was 9 kg 650 gram and weight of the sugar was 6 kg 475 gram, find the weight of the packet containing tea. So here is the bag. A bag contains 3 things: sugar, tea, and the rice. Rice and sugar weight is given. So how can we find the weight of the tea? So now right here first the total weight of the bag containing 3 packets rice, sugar and tea is equal to 17 kg, and the weight of rice 9 kg 650 gram, the weight of sugar 6 kg 475 gram, and the total weight of rice plus sugar. When we adding both the weights of the rice and the sugar, we get the 16 kg 125 gram when we adding them. Okay. Now how can we find the weight of the packet of the tea? When we subtract the total weight of rice and sugar from the total weight of the bag, that is the 17 kg, we get the weight of packets of tea. The weight of the packet containing tea 17 kg minus 16 kg 125 gram. When we subtract it, we get the 875 gram. Okay, boys. So once again, the total weight of the bag is given, in which rice, sugar, and the tea, whose weight is the 17 kg, and the weight of rice is given 9 kg 650 gram, and the weight of sugar 6 kg 475 gram given. And to find the weight of the tea, we subtract the total weight of the rice and the sugar from the total weight of the bag. We get the weight of the tea, that is which is 875 gram. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I hope you understand how can we solve the exercise 51. Thank you.